Also, I'm going to put the mirrors on right there. You get more of that. For me, it's a better. I'm going to go downstairs shortly after we eat, and I'm going to be adding a few things. The rest of the things for the motorcycle came in. As I said before, I'm going to tie this in. This might turn out to be like 3 or 4 videos, but what I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be adding this diffuser on. It's technically called DB killer, just to lower the dBs on my exhaust, because it is pretty loud. I mean, it's like borderline illegal. So, and to some extent, holy crap, might be illegal. But so let me try to deal with that. I'm gonna put this DB killer on there. I am gonna put this tank guard right here, the tank pad, and then I bought, because these things are like all messed up right now, I bought some hand grips as well, some Rizoma hand grips. It is anodized red, so it'll match with the wheels and some other things on there. So I'm probably gonna go for that theme. A few more things I'm gonna be purchasing. Oh, I'm also putting the mirrors on today. The bike right there. Let me see. We're gonna be changing out the grips right here. I probably have to get my blade, or unless I want to reserve these. I'm trying my best to take it off without cutting them, but if not, I'm gonna have to do what I have to do. I might change the angle off of these, so this is very straight on. I might have it more angled off, just like this. So I'm doing a few mods on here. I definitely will have to put the diffuser in here, so that means I have to take off from here and right there. So I'll pull these right off. Oh, how many do I have here? Oh shit, I didn't realize that. It doesn't have the springs in the bottom. That sucks. Try to take the spring off, take care of that real quick. Put the tank pad on right here. We're gonna do the middle section here first. That's really easy. Is a stick on. I'm contemplating whether to get more of a grips right here. Honestly, I'm contemplating whether to get more grips right there. Also, I'm gonna put the mirrors on right there. I'm gonna change these out with the winglet ones. So it's gonna move these in my favor. You can just take these off from here. Be careful if you like your paint. Don't mess up your paint here. It should be easy go. I will do the handlebars last because it seems as if that's the hardest right now. There is new hardware that comes with the unit, the winglet unit, so you might want to use that. The great thing is about these mirrors that they flip back. So not like my Gixxer, there's no lights associated to this, so really good. So I'm gonna do it one by one. And then I'm going to do it one by one. It comes with new ones like this. I don't know if I need them, but nonetheless, I'll just keep these right here. It does come with new hardware, so we'll see what the deal is with that. I mean, you can't really go wrong with these. I mean, you can't install them wrong, because obviously they only fold one way. See, they won't fold the other way. So let's just put the new for a fit. No. Let's use the ones that are flush in there already. Let's use these right here. So I'm going to use the existing hardware, and I will see if the ones they provided us will fit in the holes. If not, I'm gonna just double check. They do. Put new ones on there. See, these right here they do move up like that, but I don't want to scratch it. No. It's gonna take some time. It's gonna not lock it in place, but just put it in place and see what the deal is as far as, you know, fitment wise, where I want them. So I'm going to maneuver it where it's easier for me. Well, that sucks. It's easier for me to put on this way. I might be able to put it on. It's more this side. We'll see if it'll reach. It'll catch. I believe they're not long enough. But is there an issue with them catching? No. They are not long enough. We'll have to use the existing bolts for them to catch. So just keep that in mind. Right there. Initial look right there. So I soon realized that this was the wrong setup. So there's a hole on the bottom of the mirror, and you need to put the hole closer to the visor or the screen side more to get the better angle. Just wanted to let you know before you continue to do what I did. So you can see there's a huge difference. This is the one with the hole facing this way. I'm sorry, facing out right here, the hole right here, the adjustment is right here. And look at the angle there versus right there. You get more of that. For me, it's a better angle. Pretty much it took me about 3 hours to do everything on the bike. I put the diffuser, the DB killer in there, that's one. I tried to adjust the rear sets, but this one is locked up for some reason. I don't want to play around with it. I changed the handlebars so they're better handle grips. I adjusted the controls for it to be a bit better for me, and I put in the winglet mirrors. So I would have to say it's a freaking win. I did a lot today, honestly. So nonetheless, that was very fun. I'm almost complete to pretty much building out the bike. I'm probably gonna put a double bubble windshield on here. I'm thinking about doing the R1 tail modification on this, but with a twist. I'm actually gonna buy an R1 tail maybe and have it in carbon fiber, so it'll be just whatever. I'm probably gonna throw on a 165 or 160 tire on this and put a 120 in the front, so get some girth on there. Can't really go wrong. It wasn't that crazy of a setup for me. Wasn't that crazy. I would have to rate this with. I also put the tank pad on. I gotta put this at gotta be a solid 2, if anything, putting stuff together. It wasn't too crazy. If you do mess with a bike or anything like that, make sure that you are doing it properly and you're tightening things up. But other than that, other things, I might do a clear taillight, integrated taillight, maybe a smoke. But just almost done with the build here. I'm pretty astonished of these winglets right here. I do have to find a better setup for them, honestly. But yeah, take care. God bless, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.